Want Excel to automatically expand your ranges when new data arrives without using tables? COUNTA can do it. COUNTA counts how many cells contain data. But the real power is using that count to build ranges that expand automatically. Here's a simple sales list. As we add new products, we want our formulas, charts, and summaries to update automatically. We start by counting how many rows contain data. This tells Excel how tall our range should be. Now we use index to build a range that expands as COUNTA increases. This creates a range that starts at A2 and ends at the last non-empty cell in column A. Let's compute the total sales using our dynamic range. As soon as we add new sales values, for instance F, the SEM updates automatically. COUNTA-based dynamic ranges are perfect for dashboards, growing datasets, and automated workflows, especially when you don't want to convert everything into Excel tables. You've just built automatic expanding ranges using COUNTA. No tables, no manual updates. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.